It's another beautiful day in Nevada. Beautiful Lake Mead, other places like Sheep Range, camping Sheep Range. Last time we were on the Sheep Range. It's a beautiful place right here. This open country, open desert. You got these mountains right here. Very nice place. You got the sun that's getting ready to set. And if we pan over there, you got Lake Mead. So we're on like a wildlife journey. Got some wildlife. Eventually we'll upload it. You got those wild burros, the donkeys. What is that? The sound they make? They're bellowing or whatever, but we'll upload that eventually. Right here, this is the life. Great folks in mystery. Shout out to Claw, everyone else. Beautiful lake. Peace out.